Introducing Tenet's first premium wheel offering, the Coven AL. So you may be asking yourself, and rightfully so I might add, why are you guys launching a wheel set in an arguably oversaturated wheel market? When I launched the company in 2017, when I launched the company in 2018, I really wanted to do wheels right out of the gate, but unfortunately, financially, it was just not viable. I started the company with my life savings, and at that time, I really didn't have enough money to really dive into a project of this magnitude. And I really wanted to focus more on producing products that had lower MOQs and allowed us to actually get a product into the market and get the brand off the ground. Wheels would have been a massive undertaking for a small company that was, at that time, just me. And now we're 2 people, so maybe this isn't the right time either, but this is where you come in. So let's talk a little bit about what makes the Coven rim different. First and foremost, we designed our own asymmetric rim profile. What this allowed us to do is place material in key areas that other brands maybe have lacked in the past. One of those areas is in the sidewalls. We went with a hookless bead design. This allowed us to have the most material in the sidewalls of the rim. This will help prevent pinch flats. This will help prevent damages through sharp objects. This will help prevent catastrophic sidewall failure that will result in loss of air. Along with the thicker sidewalls, we also added material throughout the spoke bed. By doing so, we can add a much higher tension when assembling the wheel, which adds a significant amount of durability, as well as reducing the potential for cracking or spoke pull through. And lastly, we chose 6069 T6 aluminum as our material because it is a perfect balance between lightweight and fatigue resistance. Overall, these things are going to make a significantly stronger rim. When developing products, we have an internal trifecta that we like to hit: affordability, durability, and quality. Our aluminum wheels have a much higher premium finish than what you would find normally at this price point. Most brands reserve aluminum to be their budget price point entry-level product. We feel that there's a place in the market for a ultra premium aluminum wheel set. We've applied the same masking treatment that you would find on our Bodum AL handlebar, which is polishing, masking, then media blasting. This gives our logos a permanent high gloss finish that lends really well to decal placement. We chose to go with i9 for the hub set because they share a lot of the same values as we do when it comes to domestic manufacturing, attention to detail, quality of the product. We really enjoy working with them, and they are perfect partners for us for this initial product launch, and we really look forward to potentially growing that relationship with them. As far as durability goes, when you combine our rim profile, the assembly, the hub choice that we're using, the testing parameters that we've chosen, all of these things combined allow us to confidently put a product in the market that is going to stand the test of time. Not only are they certified for e-bike, downhill, and gravity usage, we also back them with a lifetime warranty. So if anything ever goes wrong, we've got you covered. We have black and silver, 29er and mullet, as well as rim only and wheel set options. If you're looking for something a little more custom, we've partnered with Fanatic, who's offering custom wheel sets built with Hope, Hydras, or Chris King hub sets. When it comes to affordability, This is your chance to get these wheels at $549. MSRP after this Kickstarter is going to be $699. I don't really know where you're going to find another wheel set that has the same level of attention to detail, the same level of durability, the same level of quality, and backed by a lifetime warranty. Why are we launching this via Kickstarter? I don't think a lot of people realize that Tenet is as small as it is. We kind of sometimes portray like we're a bigger brand than we are. Luke and myself are the two people that make up Tenet. Luke does all the engineering. He developed the rim, he developed the pedal and the stem and the bar, and we work together on those things. But everything else with the company is kind of done by just me. And so supporting a rider-owned company matters now more than ever, in my opinion. With the rise of bigger corporate conglomerations gobbling up smaller brands or running them into the ground, we've really put an emphasis on trying to stay rider-owned. And I don't want to take venture-backed money. I don't want to take corporate financing. I don't want to sell the company to another company to be able to sell my soul to make projects happen. We are riders ourselves, and we will really want to make products that we can jive with. And we have the best community of customers, returning customers, people who promote and push our brand. And to be honest, your support has got us to this point. We're still incredibly small, but my hope is that with continued support and with the support of this Kickstarter, we'll be able to push this brand forward and produce more cool products. We'll be able to reinvest in our business, hire more staff, invest in the community that we live in here in Bellingham, Washington, build more trail, do cool projects, throw more concerts. There's a lot of things that we would love to do, and we just need to grow. We need to scale our business, and these sorts of projects and your support is what really helps that happen. So to anyone who has supported Tenet, thank you. To anyone that is considering supporting Tenet, thank you. And if you want to learn more about our brand, please check out our website, ridetenet.com. And we're just going to keep doing cool stuff. And so thank you, and we'll see you out there.